If you're not using copy trading or a powerful EA yet, you're already behind. Right now, you can start copy trading or buy this EA directly using the link in the description. Fast setup, instant access, real trades. This system is built around the three things traders want most. Daily performance around 3 to 5% for steady account growth. Monthly performance range of 80 to 120% with optimized strategy and controlled risk. In full automation, the EA handles entries, exits, and trade management for you. No stress, no emotional mistakes, no chart watching all day. Click the description link, contact now, and start your smarter trading journey today.